in order for me to fit the bounce, you'd have to be able to tell me what your next wedge lie is going to look like. And nobody knows. Or what's the exact size of your next divot? I mean, do you take a deep divot every time or a shallow divot every time? And the answer is no. I'm a 8 handicap or a 12 or a 20, and I get every kind of lie possible in a week of golf, and I get every kind of swing and divot possible. So what I did in the early 90s is created this sole design. We call it the Koehler sole, that it's got a very high bounce on the leading edge, so it's going to act like a high bounce golf club when the turf is softer, but it's got a very low bounce on the trailing portion. So what I was chasing is versatility, because I don't know what your next wedge lie is going to look like, and neither do you. So I can give you a sole that pretty much never met a lie it didn't like.